Skinnarviksberget in Södermalm, Stockholm is the highest natural point in Central Stockholm. It offers stunning panoramic views across Riddarfjärden, Kungsholmen, Gamla stan and the Stockholm City Hall. Be it a casual picnic or celebrating a special birthday party under the open sky, Skinnarviksberget is just the right place to be. Just about 300 meters walk from Zinkensdamm metro station and you're there. Take a break from the hustle and bustle of the city and just let go of yourself in the cool breeze. Watch the passing clouds or yachts and boats sailing across. The Skinnarviksberget beneath the hill has a small playground and an open-air cafe where you can enjoy light lunch or an ice cream. On evening with clear skies, you can delight your eyes with a beautiful sunset and a moonrise at the same time. Hillside places are very difficult to clean once littered, so please make sure that you don't litter these places. If you have found value in this video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos from Europe and especially Sweden. Also let us know about your similar experience in the comments. Thank you for watching.